Cerebros, back again with some pack openings. This one's special, guys. We got some Dark Savior. Who looking for them Sky Strike?
Everybody looking for them Sky Strike.
What we're looking for here, guys, according to our Yugi app, we want those Sky Striker Mecha Widow Anchor. It's about $30-something. Sky Striker Engage. That one is actually going for about $100 or so. And then the Furfire. If we can pull one of these Sky Striker cards, and I think we can call it a day. And we'll start recording and stop doing shit. Just kidding. Please follow us. We're not gonna stop doing videos. First things first, let's open all these suckers right here. These are not from a box, guys. These are packs for purchase like this, but we just open them. As I mentioned before in a previous video, if you look for a box for the Dark Saviors, you will purchase it for over $100 in a lot of places you go. If you buy them, Walmart or Target like this, they're $3.99. Each box comes with 24 packs. $3.99, that's $96. So if you go and buy a box for over $100, you are getting ripped off. I'm gonna open all of these suckers right here, get them all ready for you guys, and get started. Shit, wait, hold on. Alrighty, so again, you guys know what we're looking for. Sky Strikers Engage. Hopefully we pull that one. If not, no big deal. This is a pack opening for Dark Saviors. So
let's get straight to it.
Straight to me, man.
First pack.
First pack of the day.
God. Oh. Sky Striker 8s. These are all foil cards, right?
Yeah, it comes with 5 per pack.
And a Magical
Ooh,
Citadel of Endearment.
Let's see.
next one, 5 cards, guys. 4 supers, 1 secret. Is that correct?
Yep.
Yup. Is it guaranteed?
Vampire Vamp.
Yep.
Sky Striker Megamort.
Alright.
Tomb Table of Contents. Oh, Super Allure of Darkness.
Nice.
And Vampire's Domain.
6 pack. Alright.
Plague Spreader Zombie.
Homie.
Vampire Red.
Fire Red.
Horn of the Phantom. And Mirror Force.
And
Champion Furfire. If anybody's interested in the Furfire deck. Pretty good, actually.
Fire. Oh, I've heard of that one.
I didn't realize it came with a lot of reprints. I don't know what it is. Pretty cool. Mystic Tomato.
Ooh, a
Super
Scapegoat.
Skate.
Super Skate.
Sky Striker. Helm or something. And another
Another one.
Furfire. Okay, that's not bad.
For fire. For hire. For hire.
Whoa, who's moving the camera? Let's not bore you guys to death here. Another Super Allure. I'm gonna add that to one of my decks. Hey, what's up? The Vampires. Spell Power Gasp. And another Magical Citadel.
Another tomato.
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 Power. Grasp. Foolish. Sky. And
Sky Striker.
M something.
Oh, wonder that
How much
one
is it?
how much that one was worth. Don't know if it was one of the expensive ones. I don't think so. Open the next one. I don't think it's worth much. Probably like $1 or so. I don't even know if they play that one. Drowning Mirror Force. Tomato. Another Super
Heads.
Scapegoat. Sky Striker Airspace. And Mayhem Furfire. Oh, right.
For hire.
For hire.
Fur high.
For hiring, guys. We're offering jobs out here. Cerebros be hiring.
Hiring.
Not minimum wage, guys. We pay absolutely nothing.
And a Vampire Scarlet.
Oh.
That's a nice card. Come on, Sky Striker Engage.
It's the one we are looking for. Alright. Another for hire. Shadow Vampire. That one.
Armageddon Knight.
Knight
And
and
another vampire.
Alright.
Okay, vampires. Vampires for days, guys. Dark Saviors.
Dark Saviors.
For hiring, guys. Vampires. Spell power. Vampire Red Baron. Dinah. Hero for hire. Hey, who moving the camera? Drowning Mirrors.
Another
Tomato.
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 Super Scapegoat.
And another
Another
vampire.
vampire. Oh my
These
god.
really like me.
It's time to build a vampire deck. Anybody want to see a vampire deck profile? Leave a comment below.
Alright. Sky Striker. Gentleman.
Alright, the Link Monster. And
And
another magic
another
monster.
one.
Basically, nothing. You can buy.
Not even McDonald's want that car.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Ooh.
Win. Boom. Another one.
Another for hire.
Anybody want to see a for hire deck profile? Leave a comment below.
Hire deck profile.
Alright. Another one.
Maybe we should have bought a box. The Monarch Stormport.
Monarch Stormforth. This one comes in the Legendary Collection Kaiba too. And
Vampire Domination. Hey, let's keep it going.
Dark Saviors.
6 left. Quick booster. The Monarch Storm.
Monarch.
Seals. Another lure. I got my third lure, guys. Dinah Furfire.
Another one.
Okay.
Nah, I don't know about that.
Ooh,
Oh,
scapegoat.
that third scapegoat. Probably like the 5th or something. And
Boom, another
vampire
one of those
Scourge.
vampire
I keep
swords.
pulling these.
alright.
Vampire Lord. Here we go. Alright. Alright. Enforcement.
Rhoda.
Vampire and another. Wait.
A Furfire. Another one.
Another
One. DJ Kylie. DJ Kylie.
We got over a playset of these.
Hey. Hey.
Here's a scapegoat.
I think we got more than a playset. Hey, there goes Danfer Vampire Sheridan. That's a good pull.
Alright, we believe in the heart of the cards again.
Yeah, we don't got a lot of packs left.
Alright.
Koala.
Another one.
All vampire. Another one.
Vampire's Domain.
Alright, heart of the cards. Here we go.
How about boom. Good. Shadow Vampire.
Vampire.
Something else.
Sky Striker Mecha. Sky Striker and.
Oh, Bead. Blazeman Fur Hire.
Hire.
That's a good pull. All right, guys. Well, we didn't get what we were looking for, what we were aiming for, but you just witnessed a Dark Savior pack opening video. We'll probably do more of these sometime in the near future. Stay tuned for yet still more videos, deck profiles, pack openings, box openings.
So hit that thumbs up.
And subscribe.